Hello, this is Chapter 6, Section 2. We're doing the guided practice problems on page 394, PDF page 17. This is the application problem number 7. Again, a lot of these problems are going to involve time and money. So let's read it. The Strauss family is figuring out who to hire for their lawn care services. One company called Green Lawn charges $49 to be part of it, plus $29 per month. Grass Team charges $25 to start up, plus $37 per month. All right. The startup fee you only pay once. The per month fee, you're going to pay that every month. Keep that in mind. So the two questions: in how many months will both lawn care services cost the same, and what's going to be that cost? So again, we've got time in months and cost. And it says if the family is only going to use the service for 6 months, which one is the better option? We'll get to that after we figure out the other thing. The first thing we need to do is define our variables. We need to explain what we're going to use. You can use X and Y, and if you use X and Y, then you can use Desmos. But I can also use T for time or M for months. I'm not a big fan of using the unit that you measure as your variable, okay? And also C for cost. So I'm going to use that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to let T represent the number of months that the family is going to have the service, the lawn care service. And I'm going to let C represent the total cost. So the total cost depends on how many months you have the service. Let's talk about the first company, Green Lawn. You have to pay $49 once. You have to pay $29 each month. So I'm going to add 29 plus 29 plus 29 plus 29 plus 29 plus 29 for every month. That means, the shortcut for that means multiply. So I'm going to multiply 29 times the number of months that you have the service. Now I want to find out what that exact number is. However, at this point I don't know. So that's why I use this picture, that T, that symbol. And if I work this all out, this is going to give me my total cost. For the other company, it's a $25 startup fee. And each month you pay $37. So that's 37 times T. And that's going to give the total cost for that company. All right, now I'm going to switch over to another sheet of paper. So I've got C equals 49 plus 29T, and C equals 25 plus 37T. Now, I want to figure out at what time, and that'll be the time for both of them starting out the same, will the cost be the same? Question mark. So these two costs, I'm going to let's set them equal to each other. That means that these two expressions have to be equal to each other. So 49 plus 29T has to be equal to 25 plus 37T. I'm going to start by adding negative 29T to both sides. So I get 49 equals, actually let's put it over here, draw my line. 29 plus negative 29 is 0. 25 is going to stay the same. And 37 plus negative 29 is 37 minus 29, which is 6T. Now I'm going to add negative 25 to both sides, and I get 24 equals 6T. Now I'm just going to clean this up a little bit. Because I've eliminated, I've got all these white space. I'm trying to line everything up. I get 6 times T equals 24, divide by 6, and I get T equals 4. So it seems that at 4 months, both of them are going to cost the same. what will that cost be? So $49 plus 29 times 4. So $29 plus $29 plus $29 plus $29. Now you can do that in your head. I'll show you the trick. 30 times 4 equals 120. So 29 times 4 is 120 subtract 4, which is 116. But I'm also okay if you grab one of these. 29 times 4 equals 116. And 49 plus 116, again, if you need to grab one of those, you get $165. So at 4 months, it's going to be $165. Let's check the other one, see if I get the same price. That's 25 plus 37 times 4. 25 plus 37 times 4. If you've got a really cool calculator I've got, you can do that. And I did not get the same thing. So what did I do wrong? Oh, let's see. So now I gotta find out if I gotta check this and see if I did a mistake someplace. I see my mistake. I caught my mistake. So this actually ended up being 173, which is not the same. So that means I made a mistake somewhere. Did you catch my mistake? This is why you check your work. And I could re-record this video. I could. You'd never know I made this mistake. However, I'm going to leave that in there so you can see that even when math teachers make a mistake, they have methods to allow them to figure out where to fix it. I saw my mistake. $37 subtract 29 is not 6. It's 8. So this is actually 8t. So this right here is wrong. It's actually 8 times t equals 24. So t equals 3 months. So all of this was incorrect. We're going to do cost equals 49 plus 29 times 3 this time. 49 plus 29 times 3. That's $136. And cost equals 25 plus 37 times 3. That's $136 too. So now I know I've got them right. So at 3 months, both will cost $136. Now the other question for this one, part B, says if the family uses the service for only 6 months, which is the better option? So I need another sheet of paper here. So this time, I'm going to say t equals 6 months. So for the first company, which is Greenlawn, the cost is 49 plus 29 times 6. 49 plus 29 times 6, $223. For the other company, which is Grass Team, the cost is $25 startup fee, but their per month fee is more, $37 times 6. And that's going to be $247. So at 6 months, looks like this one's cheaper. You're going to go with Greenlawn. All right, Ask questions in the discussion if you don't understand.